Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 4. Se centerea quando optima dido nasciat, et tantos rumpi non sperat amores, temptatur raditus et quae mollissima fandi tempora, quis rebus dexter modus ocius omnes imperio laeti parent et iusa faces sunt. So let's begin the translation. Meanwhile, he himself, since best Dido does not know, and she does not expect such great loves to be broken, he will, or he is about to attempt the approaches, and what times are the softest for speaking, and what method is right for such things, or for the things. All the happy men obey the command swifter, and they undertake the orders, or they carry out the orders. So up here, this is a bit odd, because you have to imply that up in the previous lines we had a decanes somewhere, Aeneas saying that, so this is all an indirect statement, and you have to put a temptaturum esse to make it all make sense, and the sese is your accusative subject, Aeneas himself. Now, quando, we're just going to translate that as because here, because best Dido, and this is really meaning best of women Dido, his best woman Dido. She does not know, and she does not expect such great loves to be broken. Here is a present passive infinitive here, to be broken, from rumpo, rumpere. So notice this temptaturum, we got that urum in here, so we know it's a future active infinitive, because we got that implied essay here, so remember it is an infinitive. So that can mean about to attempt, going to attempt. So meanwhile, he himself, ignore the clause, is going to attempt, is about to attempt the approaches. And what time is the softest, or what times are the softest, this is neuter plural, for speaking, and what method is right for the affairs. So Aeneas is trying to get their men to prepare the orders and ready the ships for departure so they can be on their way soon, but he's also waiting for the best time to talk to Dido. Now this is clearly a bad idea, because what if Dido catches wind that they're preparing to leave before Aeneas has had a chance to speak with her? That could be bad, and that's exactly what happens. So that's why this choice was not super great for Aeneas, because Dido hears the rumor of their departure from someone else, and she gets the idea that Aeneas is trying to leave in secret. Down here we have, this is comparative, more swiftly. And remember parent, pareo, parere takes a dative, that's why imperio here is dative. And laeti goes with omnes, and that's the end of that section.